Hello, Pottle Posse. We're back with another mix. Can you guess what we're making today? Of course, this is the plasma gel thinned out. I mixed it with a little bit of luster top coat to thin it out. Okay, so what are we mixing today? Put in the comments right now. And done. All right, so of course we're going to start off with rhombus glitter. Yes, they do fly around. I don't know if you have rhombus glitter. They're quite rare, but they're really, really cool. All right, and we're gonna move in with some, what is it? Iridescent glitter. This is actually just some craft glitter I got from the craft store. Put a little bit in there. Also, you guys, make sure you use your crystal wand or your spatulas to also try to maintain how much you're dumping into the pot, because it can just fall into the pot, by the way. A little green, that's really cool. And what's this? And also comment below how much, which glitter you like the best. I would like to know. And soon, hopefully, we'll be mixing together. I'm going to be selling soon on Comment Sold, so you guys can buy the mixes later if you want. Purple, more rhombus here. Okay, and make sure you guys are also following us on TikTok and Instagram. All right. Oh, that looks like a bit of a unicorn pigmented glitter. I think I got that from C&D. All right, what do you think the next one's going to be? The next one's actually my favorite. It is like a cool, like, unicorn rhombus. I know. It's the best. All right. Are we done? Shall we add more? Comment below. All right, there you go. I guess I just wanted mostly rhombus for this glitter, because they are pretty cool. And the blue. Are we finished? I don't know. Should we be finished? Who's ready to mix? I'm feeling like we should mix. Okay, well, obviously we've moved into mix. Ta-da! It looks good to me. All right, let's go into it. And all right. So if you did not leave the comments below, I guess you know today we are making a glitter mix. Just glitters and clear gel. Sometimes that's all you need is a little sparkle. I guess you can liken it to like a party glitter. It's got all different types of color, a rainbow, and it's really beautiful. All right, we're mixing. Do you like it? Comment below. Is it good? What kind of glitter mix do you want to make next time? What kind of colors you want to mix? I always want you guys to really be involved in the mixes. So, but this one's really cool. You can probably save it for your favorite party mix. Okay. All right, you guys, it's time to cap off the Pottle. As you know, we have a new Pottle mini. Kind of just see that little lockdown. I kind of reinvented it once again, where it has an inner gasket. And this is the way our mix looks. Are you ready to swatch? Comment below. Watch it slide. All right, so today I'm going to use my lovely practice hand. I really got into using this because it's hell on, my own nails, taking things off and on. All right, so we're going to start off with one coat. We didn't put as much as we think in, so we have to tip the Pottle just a little bit to get it to come out of the top. And we're going to dance around a little bit. It's not the thickest. And maybe we should have put more rhombus, but I like it. We're going to dance around. Of course, sometimes you got to move your big glitters around. But do we like it? It's a bit dark, too, which is what I like. I like a thick one. And also comment below, once again, tell us what the next glitter gel should look like. What do you want to put in it? But I think it's really cute and sparkly and fun. All right, we've done another nail. It's pretty. All right, so we're going on, I guess, packing on one more coat. Gonna move it around kind of because of course it is part builder gel. That's why I do use the builder gel. So it's a bit more of a suspension base, If you just use top coats for your mixes. They're just gonna slide off, you know. So I use the builder gel just to kind of hold the glitter in place. All right, well, there you guys, that's 2 good coats. But of course, I'm not done. So let's see here. Okay, we're playing around. Maybe I should just slide that nail a little further in. You know how practice hands are. Okay, but I like it. I guess I ended up doing 4 coats. Let's see. Comment below how many coats you think this is. But this is, I guess, about 4 coats. I really like it. It's thick. It's beautiful. Of course, since it's part builder gel, your nails would be very hard. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this mix of rhombus and iridescent glitters. And you can find Pottles and Pottle Mini at pottle.co. Thanks for watching.